A very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we'll be continuing our revision of chapter number 3, that is addition and subtraction. Here I have written a word problem. What is given in this word problem? The difference of two numbers is 78,316. If the smaller number is 95,078, find the larger number. What you have to find in this question? You have to find the larger number. And what is given? Difference. Difference of the two number is given. And you have to find the larger number. So, our answer is you have to find the larger number. So the larger number will be equal to your smaller number plus difference. So what is your smaller number here? The smaller number is 95,078 plus the difference is 78,316. You have to add this two number. The addition I have told you in the previous video how to add the number. First we add the ones place, then we add the tens place, then hundreds, thousand, and then we add the 10,000 place. So when you add this number, you will be getting 173. When you will be adding this, you will be getting the answer as that is 1,73,394. The next, this question, this is based on the property of the addition. The first one, 85 plus 98. It will be equal to 95 plus 85. Second question, 0 plus 734 will be equal to 734 only. If we add any number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. So the number it is 734, so it will be the 734 only. The next question, I am reading the question. A man brought a plot of land for rupees 37,899. What is given? The price of the plot. It is given. Here what is given in the question? The price of plot. A man bought a plot of land of rupees 37,899. Here the price it is given, and sold it for rupees 45,362. The man sold this plot. It means the selling price. What is the selling price of plot? The selling price of the plot, it is also given. It is rupees 45,362. This is the selling price of the plot. How much profit did he earn? You have to find profit. How much profit did the man earn? So the profit earned, how will be finding the profit? You will be subtracting the selling price with the price of the plot. So you will be getting the answer. So the profit earned will be equal to, you will be subtracting this selling price with the price of the plot, that is minus 37,899. You will be subtracting it and you will be getting the answer. If you subtract this, you will be getting rupees 7,463. So this is the profit earned. So I am repeating again. In this question, the price of plot it is given. The man, he sold the plot. It means selling price. It is also given. Selling price means in how much amount he sold the plot. Okay, so the selling price of the plot it is also given. You have to find the profit. So how you will be finding the profit? You will be subtracting the selling price with the price of the plot. The next we will be doing the questions based on the estimate. Estimate means we are doing the rounding off only. Rounding off we have discussed earlier also. You have to estimate the sum or difference. Estimate means you have to do the rounding off only. The first question I am writing, that is 33 and 16. Here subtraction. You have to estimate. Estimate means you have to do the round off of this number. So if I round off 33, it will be 30. And if I round off 16, it will be 20. If I subtract 30 with 20, I will be getting 10. Yes, let us do another. 875 and 309. You have to subtract it. 875, you have to round off this number. So how you will be rounding off this number? You have to round off to the nearest 100. So you will be seeing the digit at the tens place. It is 7. So if the digit it is 5 or more than 5, this 2 digit that is at the ones and the tens place will become 0, and here we will be adding 1. So it will be becoming 9, and at the ones and the tens place it will be 0 and 0. Come to the next number. What is here? 0. So if the number it is less than 5, so the digit at the ones and tens place will become 0. So it will be the 300. Now you have to subtract it. You are getting 600. So in this way we used to estimate the sum or difference. Estimate means you are doing the rounding off only. So students, today I will be giving you the worksheet based on this chapter number 3. The next, just I will be telling you the definitions only of our next chapter, that is chapter number 11, geometry. Chapter number 11, geometry. In this chapter we have started with some of the definitions. First was the line segment. First was the line segment. What was the line segment? It is the shortest path between 2 points. It has 2 end points and can be measured with the help of ruler. Line segment, it is having 2 end points. Suppose this is the line segment. These are the 2 end points. First is A, another is B. So this is the line segment. Line segment has the 2 end points. The next is line. What is the line? How do we draw the line? Like this. The line do not have end point. I have drawn the arrow at both the sides. What does it mean? That this side it is also endless and this side it is also extending endless. The third one was the ray. What is the ray? The ray it is having only the one end point. How do we draw the ray? Like this. this ray, it is having only the one end point. At the another side, it is endless. It is going on and on. This arrow, it means it is extending. Here also this arrow, it means it is extending at both the side endlessly. The next was the open and the closed shape. The open shape, what are the open shape? The shape which do not begin and end at the same points are called open shapes. Open shapes like this is an open shape. Like this one, it is an open shape. It start and end at the different point. It is starting here and it is ending here. So it is the open shape. And what are the closed shape? Which start and end at the same point. Like this one, it is the closed shape because it start and end at the same point. The next was the polygons. What are the polygons? A closed figure made up of more than two line segment is called polygon. Polygon, it is made of more than the two line segment. What were the example of the polygons? Triangle. How do we draw the triangle? Like this, it is made of more than the two line segment. 1, 2 and 3. So it is the triangle. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, it is made of 4 line segment. This is the quadrilateral. It is made of the 4 line segments. Pentagonal. Pentagonal means it is having 5 sides. Hexagonal means 6 sides. It is having. So in geometry, first of all, you have to learn all the definitions today. The definition of the line, line segment, ray, polygon, its type, triangle, quadrilateral. That's all for today's class. Keep studying regularly. More you practice in the maths, more the perfection will come. And students, if you are having any doubts, any queries, you may ask. Thank you.